Oh, that is good. Next up, oh my days. This is curry sauce. Now, most curry sauce is kind of like that Japanese style. This one's called Irish curry sauce. I don't know what makes it Irish. Should we give it a go? 찍어 먹고. Oh. What? That's sweet and spicy. I've never tasted anything like this. It's kind of amazing. Wow, it's really got real spice to it. I wonder if this has got Guinness or something in it to make it Irish. Is that what I'm tasting? Oh, it's incredibly naughty. I love it. Try it with a bit of the sausage. That's good. Oh, that is good. Wow. This is amazing. What a blessing.